Hi, I'm Rich. Welcome to Tyco Tuesday. Today we'll be doing this Transformer Mustang box body HP7 chassis. Pretty cool car. Bring it right here and we'll check it out. Just got this car on eBay for $58. Yes, sir. It's a hell of a deal. There she is. Pretty cool looking. Yeah. And I haven't noticed it, put any Novus on it. It's already pretty shiny. Back tires are rather dry. But we'll put her on a dyno and see what she does, and then I'll change all 4 tires, I reckon. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'll change all 4 of them. We'll put her on the dyno and see how she does. Not bad, I got 273 out of it. Let's change the tires. Okay. HP2, HP7. Alright, there's the rear. We'll put the body on. Let's put a little oil on it. Not too bad. Very cool car. Put it on pause and we'll go over to the track, take it for a few laps. Probably should have cleaned the track before I decided to do this, but I did not, so. Well, she doesn't seem like she wants to stay on, does she? There she is, folks, number 2. I have number 1, and now I have number 2. Number 3, number 2, 8586 XF. And I don't know why, that's just a standard HP7, I guess. 7023 to 4. Red, orange, yellow, number 23, Turbo Deception. I have Autobot and Deception. Yep, pretty cool car. It's got like a little piece of plastic on top of the motor so you don't burn your hand, and it's got one on the bottom as well. And regular HP7s did not have that. So that's probably where XF came in. little extra burn your finger guard. Hope you guys like this. Hope you guys like this car. I like it. I like it a lot. It's a really cool looking Mustang. And I seen it. I had to have it. So yeah, now I got it. Guys, go ahead and put down in the comments what you think of that car. If you like it, don't like it, what you like about it. Appreciate you guys leave comments, 7 words or more. And appreciate if you, if you guys would subscribe. I only need 3 more for 300. It'd be the first time I hit 300. And, yeah. Well, that's all for now. Another Tyco Tuesday in the book. I'm not sure what I'm going to do for Friday. I have a pit kit. No, I don't. Don't have a pit kit. So maybe I'll get one in the mail. Maybe I'll take a ride over to the hobby shop. And I didn't do that last week. I might do it this week. I doubt it. I don't know. My uncle passed away. Yeah. And memorial service is Thursday at 10 a.m. It's kind of far from here, I guess. But, yeah. So, I wasn't close to him or anything, but, still kind of sad, though. Appreciate it. You guys, give me a thumbs up. Hit subscribe, like I said, and, yeah. Alright. Talk to you guys all later. Bye.